Hi guys, welcome back to another video and happy holidays. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing my healthy holiday gift guide with you guys. I am going to be sharing a few do-it-yourself natural skincare gift ideas for those of you who love to make your own gifts. And I'm also going to be sharing just some of my all-time favorite products that I think would make really awesome gifts for those of you who just want to go out there and buy something and give it to someone. I'll also mention that this video is in collaboration with Iherb, and I love Iherb. I've been shopping with them for years, and whenever I get a chance to collaborate with them, it makes me very happy because I think they're awesome. Iherb is a global leader in bringing the best overall value in natural products to their customers all over the world. They offer a triple guarantee to make sure their customers are 100% satisfied. They have the value guarantee, which guarantees that you will receive the best overall value in over 30,000 brand name natural products. They have their quality guarantee, which means being a California-based superstore, they only sell authentic products which are sold in the US market. They have quality assurance for their products, and their products are shipped from climate-controlled warehouses. And then they have their delivery guarantee, which basically guarantees that your package will be delivered, and they offer free or discounted shipping to over 150 different countries around the world. And in Canada, where I live, they ship by DHL, UPS, and Landmark Global, so you have a few different options to choose from. But yeah, let's get started with the gift guide. Okay, so first up, you can give the gift of beautiful hair. You can give them a wooden brush. You guys know how much I love wooden brushes, and I think it's the perfect Christmas gift. So this one is by Ambassador Germany. It is made in Germany, really nice quality. I didn't even know Iherb sold this brand. I always thought they just had the Bass wooden brushes. But yeah, a high quality, good old wooden brush. This is gonna last them for years. And if you're wanting to step it up a notch, you can also add in a hair oil and kind of make it a whole hair treatment set. So you can add something like the Acure argan oil, which is just 100% organic argan oil. It comes in a really nice glass bottle. It just complements the wooden brush really nicely. Or else you can even make your own hair oil if you're wanting something a bit more customized and special. You can make a do-it-yourself hair oil by filling up a bottle with half argan oil and half jojoba oil, and then just adding in a few drops of rosemary essential oil, because rosemary is really good for conditioning the scalp and promoting hair growth. Plus, it's just a nice Christmas smell, so it's quite perfect. And if it's someone who doesn't know a lot about natural hair care, you can even write them a little card saying the benefits of using a wooden brush. And then you can also tell them a bit about the oil and how to use it. It just kind of makes it a bit more personal and thoughtful. So next up, you can give them the gift of aromatherapy. You can give them a diffuser. They can diffuse their essential oils. And this, in my opinion, is one of the best gifts in the world that you can give someone. I mean, I would be absolutely thrilled if someone got me this. So this one is by Now, and I really like it because it lights up and it changes colors. So it's just extra calming and comforting at night because of that light. And you can set it so it changes colors, or you can set it so it just stays on one color, or you can have the light completely off and just have the diffuser going. And this particular diffuser runs for up to 4 hours. It's BPA free. It turns out automatically, and it has a 1-year warranty. It's just so nice to have a diffuser, and especially in the winter, it's just extra cozy because you're always staying inside. So yeah, diffusing some essential oils in the air is so nice. And you can even include a few essential oils in case the person doesn't have any, because essential oils are kind of essential for using and getting the benefits of the diffuser. So yeah, that's a bit more of an expensive gift, but it's just awesome, and I think people would really appreciate it. And if you're more into making gifts, you can give them the gift of smooth, soft skin. This is a really cool do-it-yourself coffee sugar scrub for the body. And I saw this on Pinterest and I thought it was so cool, so I made a batch and really liked it, and I think it would just be the perfect gift. It smells so good. I don't like the taste of coffee, but I think it smells really, really, really yummy. And you can make a big batch of it and just give it to whoever you want. All you need is organic fair trade coffee grounds, organic sugar. I'm using turbinado sugar since it's larger, so it's really great for a scrub, and organic cold pressed coconut oil. So I'm making 1 jar to show you, and I just combine half a cup of organic sugar, half a cup of the coffee grounds, and 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. And then you just stir that up until it's all combined, and then put it in a mason jar or any cute container you want. It leaves your skin feeling really smooth, and the caffeine in the coffee actually helps increase blood flow, so it can apparently help reduce the appearance of cellulite and give your skin a more even tone. And you can make it super custom and cute by writing the ingredients on a tag or label. And a few disclaimers: I wouldn't use this one on my face just because it might be a little bit more rough. I think it's better for the body and things like your feet. And if you're worried about the coconut oil clogging your drains, because I know some people are really worried about that, you can just switch it out for another oil, olive oil, really whatever you want. But it's a really, really great scrub, so I think it's a great gift. And if you don't feel like making a gift yourself, there's no need to worry. Another great body care gift is this Weleda body oil set. And I was really excited when I saw this because I totally forgot about this brand. They were one of the first natural beauty brands I tried a long time ago. They were like one of the only ones at my grocery store. But yeah, I had the sea buckthorn body oil so long ago, but I really liked it. It comes with a birch cellulite firming oil, an arnica massage oil, a lavender relaxing body oil, a wild rose pampering body oil, a sea buckthorn replenishing body oil, and a pomegranate regenerating body oil. And this is a great gift because you can give the whole set as a gift so the person can sample each one, or you can divide the set up amongst your friends or give 1 or 2 as little stocking stuffers. So it's kind of like you're getting 6 gifts in one. And then you can give the gift of beautiful skin. So I picked out these Badger face cleansing oil and facial oil. I just put them together like a little set. It's perfect. They come in beautiful glass bottles with this nice gold rim and the pink. It just looks nice. And the ingredients are really good too. So the cleansing oil contains things like sunflower, jojoba, olive, apricot, castor oil, lavender oil, vitamin E, rose. And then the facial oil contains jojoba, baobab, pomegranate seed oil, lavender, rosehip, sea buckthorn, rose, Roman chamomile, and calendula. So yeah, I think most people would be really thrilled to receive some nice high quality natural skincare. But if you're more into making your own skincare, you can easily make a do-it-yourself oil cleanser to give as a gift. So you just need to choose your oils. I use organic hexane-free castor oil because it's very cleansing for the skin, jojoba oil because it's really good for acne-prone skin, and then I use a few specialty oils like organic tamanu oil because it's really amazing for acne scars, and a bit of argan oil as well since it's very nourishing and healing to the skin. So I just take a bottle. I like to just reuse bottles from old skincare that I have, and then I fill it up about 1/4 way with the castor oil, and then I fill the rest up with jojoba oil and my specialty oils like tamanu and argan oil. And then again, you can just add a tag with the ingredients, and it's just an easy do-it-yourself gift. And finally, I have a little stocking stuffer or just a small gift if you're wanting to get someone a small gift, or maybe you don't have a lot of money to spend. And that is this Badger Cuticle Care. And it just contains things like shea butter, olive fruit, castor seed oil, beeswax, geranium, sea buckthorn, mandarin, lemongrass, rosemary, cardamom. It's just good for conditioning your cuticles and growing out your nails nice and healthy. You know, this little guy and a nice thoughtful card makes a great Christmas gift. So that is my healthy holiday gift guide. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and maybe got some ideas. All the products will be linked down below in the description, so you can go check that out. And yeah, I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful December and staying nice and warm. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!